Let's convert 1222 in base 10 to a number in base 8. Solution. We draw a table. We place our number 1222 at this side. Then the base we are converting it to 8 at the other side. Then we divide. 8 goes in 12, you have 1, remainder 4. 8 goes in 42, you have 5, remainder 2. 8 goes in 22, you have 2, remainder 6. We divide again by 8. 8 goes in 15, you have 1, remainder 7. 8 goes in 72, you have 9, remainder 0. You divide again by 8. 8 goes in 19, you have 2. 8 multiplied by 2, you have 16. When you take away 16 from 19, we have a remainder of 3. Divide again by 8. 8 goes in 2 here, we have 0, remainder 2. Now here, further division is no longer possible. Then we take our remainders upwards as our final answer. Therefore, 1222 base 10 equals 2, 3, 0, 6 base 8. That's how to convert whole numbers in base 10 to base 8. Thank you.